Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, you need to open Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is green. That means that location is enabled. In order to disable it, tap on the same one. But you can always go into settings instead and tap on location over here. Then manage it by tapping on this feature next to location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!